Adi beta, understood now? Good. Very lightly, yeah, not color much to transparent. Shreya, understood now beta? The side eye using? Yeah, I just using this French art, this Prussian blue, sap green, and the Britain green, 3 green only. So first I using the sap green like this. Sap green little bit of yellow kind of, very like this, and then inside the same green I using little bit of Prussian blue like this. That's 2 color only. Sap green and Prussian blue is this color called the Britain green. Individually you can buy this color, but we are always try to mixing new color. This is Britain green, but when I even third tone I put more Prussian blue, so it is a dark Prussian green. So some areas we have to give in this. Okay, so now I just to see this area. This is original, so but here you can see this is dark strokes. Okay, here. So I just make the dark. How to make the dark color? Just little bit of Prussian blue I may add over here. Anana beta, understood? No?
Yes, sir, yes.
Good. I just make a little darker stroke now. Slowly I make it darker. Arsh, understood beta? Did you understand? Okay, so now because of this shadow of this flower, okay, this is coming dark. Okay, full stem only dark only because of shadow. Okay. Okay, this is shadow, I'm making dark, this part only making dark. See now slowly it's looking like a realistic when I add the dark, because light I already using, no, from the first I using very light color, so light is already there. When you start the dark color, no, then it's coming realistic. Okay. See, I just make the something dark stroke. Okay. We are almost finished. We go to the next drawing for that. Okay. First finish next 5-7 minutes. Try to. I just the same green color I using here. Very less dots. Normally I am every day using the pencil sketching first, and then today I just want to explore this different watercolors. To experiment with the color, to understand the color. Everybody can buy color and experiment with this. Okay. Now the third tone for the flower, I'm using the same, only the 2 colors. See this color only very less. I using this dark French ultramarine. Okay. Just take little bit of dark French ultramarine, not making much color. Okay, this is a few advanced level of watercolor I show you. Okay, because it is how to make realistic. Now I'm making a more darker stroke over here, third tone. Okay, this area, I just make this area third dark strokes. Okay. Same, you can use over here. Like it will try to finish fast. Go to the next drawing. If not finished yet, you tell me. I just waiting for 5 minutes. Be ready with the color always when you start the class. Sometime I using the acrylic for Sunday. Sometime acrylic, sometime oil, sometime watercolor. And for Saturday I am sometimes use the charcoal. Sometimes using the marker, a dot pen, pencils. Okay, so all be ready always when you start the class. That is especially for I told this Anana, Kushik, Shamat, Alpona ma'am, and others are joining over here. Arch. So any color anytime can use. Okay, according our skill demands. Okay, you need this, you do this. We need all type of medium should understand that how it works. Okay, like this. Okay, so I just making this little bit of this like this. Okay, like this. Okay, I just give this little dark color. Niranjan, understood better? Niranjan. Niranjan from Canada. Understood better?
Yeah.
Yes. Shamarth, understood better? Shamarth from Virginia. Understood better?
Understood.
Good. Aida beta, understood? And Aida, did you understand? Aida. Okay, that much. Okay, this is strokes. Third tone for the stem. I make the dark stroke free area. This is see when I draw these characters. See this color how dark it is now. It's so much dark. So I make it using the black colors much. So same here also need the dark stroke. Some area is pitch dark. Especially see this area is pitch dark. This area it is that dark stroke. It's Adivita understood no? Shreya? Good. Make this color. Ananda beta understood now? Did you understand? Ananya?
Yep, sir.
Do you understand? What colors are we using? How to the first tone, second tone, third tone? Niranjan, done. You can go ahead to the next drawing.
Yeah.
Good. So when you learn this different, Kaushik, বুঝতে পারছিস Kaushik?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝতে পারছি।
That's good. Arts, arts, বুঝতে পারছো? Arts, do you understand? Beta, do you understand?
Yes sir.
Good. So when you understand this first tone, second tone, third tone, the differentiation, then only you are 80% artist. So we'll go to the next drawing. Okay, next 2 minutes. Try to finish it. We'll start the next drawing now. Wow.
চ সোয়েটারটা এই সোয়েটার বলে টুপিটা নিয়ে নিচ্ছে। ওই দিদি টুপিটা দে তো।
Doshik,
টুপিটার মজাটা ছোড়। আর বাদ দে আমি উঠে পড়েছি।
Doshik, up your sound, beta. Doshik. Yeah. Okay, can I go ahead next time? Just- Very nice. The second tone is little bit of that's white, but it's yeah. That's why when you're giving the second tone, first tone, need to light with a bit light. About 2 minutes, okay? We'll start this later next. I want to show you this one. Please come. Okay, so we can start this next. We'll experiment with the what do you want, landscape or portrait? Or this is also fine. See, the sketching also we can cover and color also, okay? We cover quickly. Yeah, shortcut is fine. Okay, chalo. I start from the first sketching, okay?